Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where that green line annotation is coming from. And just first, right off the bat, if you watched yesterday's video, I have no problem admitting it, but I got it wrong. I talked about how today I expected some sort of pullback, and keep in mind, pullback not the same as reversal. But I commented on yesterday, thinking the price would probably pull back here a little bit, test some levels of support, and that's not what happened. It continued on up. Sure, it pulled back here, but that's not the type of pullback I was talking about. So, credit to the bulls. They smacked me in the face and said, get out of here. So, but let's get some things updated. So first thing to update is just let's talk about some levels of support and then some areas of resistance. So one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 75 cents, that would be best case scenario. That would, like I said, make the chart look very attractive, very powerful. But if the price does drop below it, by no means am I saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. That's just, again, the preferable situation. Next, overall level of support. So with that being said, I'm just going to clean up the chart here a little bit. Yes, that line still pertains, but from this spirit of not wanting 8 million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, want to try to keep this as straightforward as possible. But as far as the long-term trend is concerned and the ideal level of support in terms of, Clay, hey, what would make this chart look just the healthiest? What would make the bulls look, the most appealing? Just, Clay, how can we make this very easy? And that's where the purple line comes into play, meaning as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. And actually, let me zoom it out just so you can really see how the price has been cruising up above the purple line. So that's enough. You get the point. So as time has gone by, that purple line has continued to increase. A few different instances, sure, the price has gotten right around that area, but every single time the bulls have done a fantastic job of holding there. So again, as long as the price is above the purple line, bulls are in full charge. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward on this one. And that's really just a matter of where the party stopped today. And that was, whoops, grabbed the wrong line. Can you tell it's Friday? Let's try that again. There we go. So where the party stopped today, right up there at 85 cents. So that'll be public enemy number one going into next week. But, as long as the history just keeps repeating itself, as long as the price keeps on putting in these higher lows, long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.